Ministry of Local Government have experienced a good year in 2019. All of the 5 entities are up to date with their public body reports to Parliament. They are observing the rules.
The agencies of the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development were of service to the people during the year 2019. The National Solid Waste Management Authority (NSWMA) improved its governance structure and advanced its garbage collection across the country. 11 new garbage trucks were bought to serve the western, eastern, southern, and northern regions. The improvement in the governance structure at the agency also facilitated a 28% salary increase for the collection sidemen employed by the NSWMA. Under the guidance of the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management (ODPEM), the website for the 7th Regional Platform for Disaster Risk Reduction in the Americas and the Caribbean 2020 was launched.
Today's launch is a significant achievement for the government and people of Jamaica.
ODPEM also coordinated the country's relief response to the disaster-ravaged islands of the Bahamas. During 2019, the Jamaica Fire Brigade responded to over 1,000 emergency calls. To properly equip the servicemen, government partnered with the U.S. Embassy and provided much-needed fire equipment and gears.
It is of importance that when we ask the men and women of the Jamaica Fire Brigade to put their lives on the line, that we do so by providing the necessary equipment to make them perform their duties.
Ground was also broken for the construction of the $534.9 million fire station in Montego Bay. The residents of Yallison Thomas and environs will also soon have a new fire station, as a $109.49 million contract was signed at Jamaica House late 2019. The homeless were top priority.
In this financial year alone, this administration have spent over $700 million on infrastructure development and putting in equipment in our infirmaries.
Those living in Hanover were provided with a safe place to receive help, as a multi-million-dollar drop-in center was established in the western end of the country. In addition, the ministry is constructing a state-of-the-art adult transitional facility for the homeless in downtown Kingston, the first of its kind in the region. Ground was broken for the $114 million facility during Local Government and Community Month.
It is not only going to be a facility that will cater for their needs, medically and otherwise, but we will allow the facility to encourage them to come off the cold concrete at night and sleep in this facility.
Under the government's indigent housing program, elderly Jamaicans were also given new homes. Several communities were empowered as the Social Development Commission (SDC) implemented development governance structures.
Creating employment. Over some 2,000 young Jamaicans have benefited from social programs.
Residents of Top Hill and Retirement District in Malvern St. Elizabeth now have access to free potable water, following the opening of 2 water shops in the areas. Minister Mackenzie also broke ground for the first of 2 water shops to be established in Portland.
So when we speak about the role of local government, let me again remind those persons who feel that there's no need for local government, that 85% of the country's survival is vested in local government.